Hello there. Welcome to this review channel. Picture this: a life where you wake up to a bank account growing while you sleep, where your social media presence commands millions of followers, and your online business generates millions in revenue. This isn't a fantasy. It's the reality waiting for you with Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how this ebook is the only tool you need to build a multi-million-dollar online empire and a social media presence that turns heads. Ready to rewrite your future? Let's get started. The world has changed. The old path, clocking in, grinding for a paycheck, hoping for a raise, doesn't lead to wealth anymore. The real money is online, where ordinary people are becoming millionaires through e-commerce, content creation, and digital marketing. But the game's not easy without a guide. That's where Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 comes in, a proven, no-nonsense playbook to transform you from dreamer to digital mogul. This isn't about luck, it's about strategy, and this ebook has it all. Don't let another day pass in the rat race. Grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 now and start building your empire. Click the link in the description to get your copy today. What makes this ebook different? It's a 250-page masterclass packed with battle-tested strategies from entrepreneurs who've built 7- and 8-figure businesses. You'll learn how to pinpoint profitable niches that explode on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. You'll master creating viral content that builds a massive, loyal following without wasting years guessing what works. From launching a dropshipping empire to crafting digital products that sell like crazy, this blueprint walks you through every step. Plus, it shows you how to leverage AI tools and automation to scale fast, so you're not trading time for money. Why wait to claim your slice of the digital economy? Click the link in the description to get Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and start your journey to millions now. Let's talk real results. Take Lisa, a teacher who used this blueprint to grow a 500,000 follower Instagram account and a $2 million e-commerce brand in 18 months. Or Ryan, a former barista who followed the ebook's affiliate marketing strategies to hit $1.5 million in revenue last year. These aren't flukes, they're proof the blueprint works. It breaks down complex concepts into simple, actionable steps, whether you're a beginner or leveling up. You'll learn how to turn likes and shares into a thriving business, with insider tips on avoiding rookie mistakes that cost time and cash. Your multi-million-dollar future is waiting. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 today. Here's the deal. The digital world moves fast. Trends shift, algorithms change, and those who hesitate get left behind. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 is built for 2025, with the latest hacks for social media growth, from Reels to YouTube Shorts, and cutting-edge business models like NFT marketplaces and AI-driven ads. This isn't just about money, it's about power, influence, and freedom. Imagine millions of eyes on your brand, your bank account reflecting your hustle, and the ability to live anywhere, anytime, on your terms. Time's ticking. Don't let opportunity pass you by. Get Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 now by clicking the link in the description. This is your moment. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 isn't just an ebook. It's your key to unlocking a multi-million-dollar online business and a social media empire that commands attention. For less than a fancy coffee, you're getting the secrets of the world's top digital entrepreneurs distilled into one game-changing guide. Thousands have used it to transform their lives. You're next, but only if you act. Click the link in the description to get your copy of Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 right now. Your empire starts today. Don't wait another second to make it real.